Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Good morning. My name is John. I'm calling you from Senior Benefits. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you so much. Well, I'm calling you to let you know about the new state-regulated final expense insurance plan. So to make sure you qualify, could you tell me, please, how old are you?
79.
79 years old. Well, sir, how do you pronounce your first and last name?
My first name is pronounced Robert, and my last name is pronounced Grinnell.
Okay, you're Mr. Robert Grenell, right?
Yes.
Well, sir, your zip code is 04746, right?
No, it's 482.
Yeah.
I'm actually drawing a blank here. You mentioned a zip code I used to be at, but I'm no longer there. Let me go look at a piece of stationery. My zip code is 48126.
Okay, well, so then your street address also has changed. Could you tell me, please, your new street address?
My street address is 5500 Calhoun Street, Unit 13, Dearborn, Michigan, 48126.
Okay, well, one more thing, sir, do you smoke? I mean, are you a smoker?
Well, I smoke crack cocaine, crystal meth, ganja, nicotine cigarettes, Cuban cigars, and I smoke hookahs.
Okay, are you married?
Yes.
Wow, sir, you said you're 79 years old. Your date of birth is like August 1943, right?
No, I was born a poor child, Christmas Day, year of our Lord, 1942. When I was born, the Battle of Stalingrad was raging in Russia, and it was Franklin Roosevelt's third term in office.
Okay, 1942, okay. Thank you so much. And one of our licensed agents has the permission to call you back, okay?
I look forward to speaking with the licensed secret agent.
I said we have the permission to call you back, okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
This is an important message from Card Member Services. This is your final courtesy call before we close the file on your annual credit card account review. We have sent you several courtesy notices to your residence. This will be the last time to take advantage in lowering your credit card interest rate to as little as 6% on all your credit card accounts. The only requirement is you must owe at least $3,000 between all your credit card accounts and have one in good standing. Press 1 now to speak to a friendly customer services agent.
Thank you for responding the line. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm also fine, sir. Thank you for asking. And I believe you pressed number 1 for getting a lower interest rate on your credit card. Is that correct?
Yes.
So, sir, I just want to ask you, which card you think you have a higher balance? Is that your Visa card or MasterCard?
My Masturbate card.
Okay. So, sir, I just want to make sure that the card I'm working with is not expired. It's valid and active. So can you re-verify me the expiration date on the card, only the month and year?
Well, the card is upstairs. It'll take a few moments for me to get there. You move a bit slow when you're 79 years old, so I'm climbing the stairs. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, this is Stephen calling you from Credit Repair Support. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you so much for asking me.
Well, the reason for my call is to provide you information about free credit repair consultation. So, do you have any negative items on your credit reports like late payments and collections?
Yes, I owe $23,000 to a marijuana store. Hello? Hello?
New message.
Hello, this is Madeline with First American Home Warranty, your home warranty provider. I'm calling with an important message about your account. We are unable to process your most recent payment on your account. To avoid a lapse in coverage or cancellation, we need to update your payment immediately. To update your payment information with one of our agents, you can simply call 833-307-0868. Again, that number is 833-307-0868. Or you can manage your account online anytime by visiting our website at fahw.com. Again, the website is fahw.com. Thank you for being a valued customer. To opt out of receiving automated alert messages in the future, please call 833-307-0868.
To replay this message, press 1.
Yes, hi, my name is Lily. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
So you are a Medicare holder, I'm right? You have your red, white, and blue Medicare card, Part A and Part B.
Yes.
And do you pay any copay when you visit your doctor, like prescription, dental, vision, hearing? Do you pay any copay?
Yes.
Okay, so congratulations, because you're a Medicare holder. That's the reason today you're qualified for some additional benefits. Medicare will give you free dental, vision, hearing, free counter products, free medicines, and much more. And also may be qualified for getting free ride for your doctor, 50% off in your groceries, and much more. It's mean you pay nothing out of your pocket. Does sound good to you?
Yes, I can definitely use dental because I lost all my teeth abusing crystal meth, so I can use some plastic chompers, and I can use hearing, so I can get some hearing aids, so when my wife talks to me, I can shut them off, and I can use vision, so I can get eyeglasses, so when I... Hello? Hello?
Card services. Due to the tragic impact of the economy, you are now qualified for a complete debt elimination. This is a limited time offer. To get yourself enrolled, please press 1 to speak to a live representative now.
Please hold while you are being transferred.
Hello? Hello? Hello?